CDA friends and colleagues, Mark A. Boyle, App Committee Chairperson here, bringing you another video walkthrough. I'm going to show you how to build your personal agenda in the app very quickly here. Let's open the app. Default view, we have the activity feed. Here's a promoted post from NPR, yourclassical.org. They're going to be on site right outside the auditorium. I'll pay them a visit. You'll also see occasionally we'll be putting up polls and surveys just to kind of gauge what's going on with our conference attendees who are using the app. Let's go into the main menu by tapping on the three lines icon up in the left-hand corner, and let's open up track schedules. So here's Tuesday. If we swipe from right to left or hit the little arrows at the top, we'll go forward in time or back in time, depending on which arrow you hit. So how do we build an agenda, our own My Agenda? If you look at the very top, you see Agenda and My Agenda. Let's build our agenda. So I know I'm going to the Welcome to Minneapolis sing-along, so you can see that that's checked for me. Let's go to Tuesday, and I'll pick some things here for my agenda. I think I'd like to go to this composer track session. So I'm going to tap that. It changes to a check. Now I know that's been put on my agenda. I think so. It's 10:45. I'm going to go past the 10:45 items because I'm already going to one. I think I like building and maintaining an ACDA student chapter. I'm a college choral director, so that's a useful topic for me. I'm going to tap on that. That's 11:55. I'm going to go past all the 11:55 sessions. And there's the college and university choir reading session. I'm going to tap on that. That gets added to my showcase. Now that's from 1 to 2. Let's see, and go to the next group of things. We have some exhibitor showcases at 2 o'clock. How about One Sky, Many Destinies? Tap that gets added to my session. Another composer track. Composer track items are red. So let's see. And I think I'd like to go to this blue concert session at 4. That's 4 to 6:15. And the blue concert session for the international choirs in the evening at 8. So I can do that for each day. And then, once I do that for each day, I can tap on My Agenda at the top of the feed, right there at the top, and it'll only show me the things that I have selected. It also gives you some suggestions here based on what you have selected. But here's my agenda. So Tuesday, Wednesday, I already had picked some things for Thursday. Haven't added anything yet, but there you go. So you can just look at the things that you have selected and build your own personal agenda. Now, here's another really cool feature. I'm not totally sure how this works on the Android. If someone wants to comment and let us know, that would be great. At the top right-hand corner on the iOS version of the app, you see this little box with an up arrow. If you tap that, you can export all of your My Agenda to your calendar app on your phone. Another fun little feature of the app. So I'm not going to do that though, because I'm going to stick to the app the entire time and just use that to tell me where to go. So there we go. That's my agenda and how to build it and how to use it effectively to kind of keep track of things. You'll note, if you're interested in observing any of the honor choir or unity choir rehearsals, it's a separate item. So you can just tap here. Here are all the rehearsals listed for all of the honor choirs, children's, high school, junior high, and also the unity choirs in here too. They're color-coded. You can filter. I just say you just want to see excuse me, I thought I was going to... I'm going to leave that in for entertainment value. Forgive me for sneezing. Say I want to just see when the junior high middle school honor choir is rehearsing. I can do that. I check it and then hit apply. And now I can just see when they're rehearsing. And I can go and observe those rehearsals. You're going to learn a lot from watching these fantastic guest conductors work with these students. Don't forget, if you want to see everything else, you need to go back into the filter and remove that check. So tap it again and hit apply. Now you can see everything. If you add these to your agenda, it would just be my agenda inside this agenda, the Honor Choir schedule. We put it as a separate link so that parents can easily open it up and see where everything needs to happen. So that's that. Hopefully this has been a helpful video. Forgive the sneeze again, I'm sorry. If there are any questions you have about the app, please post them to the activity feed and I'll do my best to answer them, or one of our committee members will chime in and answer. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you very soon.